Hello all, welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to remove acrylic paint stains from clothes. Removing acrylic paint typically includes treating the stained area with solvents or detergents to soften and loosen the paint, followed by gentle scrubbing and rinsing to lift the paint particles from the fibers. For this tutorial, you'll need detergent, water spray, a toothbrush, a sponge, a dinner knife, and some rubbing alcohol. We'll go over how to remove acrylic paint when it is still wet, and how to remove it when it has dried up. Method 1. In this method, we will go over how to remove acrylic paint when it's still wet. While it is still wet, it is important to act quickly, as this is the best time to remove an acrylic stain. Quickly rinse the stained area under cold running water to push the paint out of the fibers. Gently scrub the stained area with a toothbrush and rinse. Apply some detergent on the stain, and then spray water from a misting bottle. Gently scrub with a toothbrush, working the detergent into the fabric to help lift the paint particles. Rinse with cold water to remove any particles and detergent, then launder as usual in the washing machine. Method 2. In this method, we will go over how to remove dried acrylic paint from clothes. First thing to do is carefully scrape off as much of the dried acrylic paint from the fabric using the edge of a dinner knife. Do it gently so that you do not ruin the fabric. Next, apply some rubbing alcohol to the stain, using a spray bottle or cotton ball. Use enough alcohol so that you can allow it to settle in the fabric for at least 5 minutes without getting dry. After the alcohol has had time to settle, use a toothbrush to gently scrub the stained area. Scrub in circular motions as this helps with lifting the paint particles. If the paint persists, add in more rubbing alcohol and allow it to penetrate the fabric. Apply some detergent on the stain, and then spray water from a misting bottle. Liquid detergents or acrylic thinners can also be used for this. Use the toothbrush once more to further work the detergent into the fabric. If any stain remains, repeat the process and launder the fabric as usual in the washing machine. These methods are how I personally get rid of acrylic from my clothes. Try them out and let me know if they worked for you as well. I also hope that you've gained some useful knowledge in this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.